You're at the playground, coffee in hand, when you hear your sweet kid say something not so sweet to their best friend. And suddenly you're wondering, where on earth did that come from? It stops you cold. This is the same child who cried over a stepped-on caterpillar. Now they're telling their friend, "You're weird. I don't want to play with you." And your stomach drops, because you're worried. Is this who they're becoming? Take a breath. It's not. Here's the thing. Kids between 3 and 7 are running little experiments. They've just discovered that words make people react, and honestly, that's intoxicating. Say a hard word, watch a friend cry. Say a silly word, watch them laugh. To a 4-year-old, those feel like the same discovery. So instead of lecturing in the moment, try this. Get low. Name what happened. That word made Sam's face sad. Did you see it? You're not shaming them. You're building the empathy muscle. And later, at bedtime, when everyone's calm, that's when the real teaching happens. Through stories. Through characters who mess up, feel bad, and try again. Picture books do the heavy lifting for you, because your child can see themselves in the story without feeling caught. That's actually why we love using Pibblio books for these tender little moments. You can create a story where your own child is the main character, learning what kindness sounds like, and what it feels like to make a friend smile again. It turns a hard conversation into a snuggly one. Your child isn't a bully. They're a small human figuring out big power, and you're already doing the work just by caring this much. Come visit us at pibblio.com when you're ready to turn bedtime into the softest teaching moment of your day.